Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to program your GMC Terrain garage door opener. First, let's clear any existing programming. Find the 3 home link buttons, usually on your overhead console. Press and hold the 2 outer buttons for about 20 seconds. The indicator light will flash slowly at first, then rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that the memory has been successfully cleared. You can now release the buttons and prepare for the next step. Now, let's program your home link system using your handheld garage door remote. Position your remote control about 2 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both your chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid, consistent flash. Once it's flashing rapidly, you can release both buttons. If your garage door opener uses a rolling code system, there's one more crucial step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit, usually mounted on the ceiling. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button, then quickly release it. The indicator light on the motor will illuminate for about 30 seconds. Immediately return to your GMC Terrain. Press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release it. Repeat this press and release action 2 more times. Now it's time to test your newly programmed home link button. Press the button firmly and observe your garage door. It should now open or close as expected. If the door doesn't respond, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning, paying close attention to each instruction. Sometimes, ensuring your handheld remote has fresh batteries can also help with successful programming. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.